In today's video, I will show you how to easily change the network from Ethereum to Avalanche. If you don't already own the app as of now, you can download it from Google Play Store or App Store. Download links are in the description. So let's go. After the download, open Metamask. Click on the three bars in the upper left corner, choose the option Settings and click on Add Network. Fill in all fields accordingly. So that you can easily insert this, I have put all of it in the video description below. After that, click on Add and you are all set.